Introducing PowerFlight's Power Pro Backpack Vacuums, available in both 6 and 10 quart sizes. A real labor saver, this lightweight, 11-pound ergonomic unit provides 4-stage true HEPA filtration to minimize dust particles and contaminants in the air, delivering a healthier indoor environment. Maximize your cleaning productivity by cleaning over 7,000 square feet per hour, over 3 times the area with a traditional upright vacuum. The Power Pro backpacks provide a faster and more cost-efficient alternative to traditional upright vacuum cleaners. Lightweight and comfortable to wear, Power Pro backpacks provide powerful suction, producing 120 cubic feet per minute and 90 inches of water lift to deliver superior performance. To begin using the Power Pro backpack, check and replace the disposable EnviroClean bag if necessary. Shake any dirt or debris from the outer cloth bag to ensure proper filtration while vacuuming. Check the HEPA filter cartridge to ensure that it is not clogged. If necessary, replace the HEPA filter. Standard on the Power Pro backpacks, the true HEPA filtration with 99.97% efficiency at 0.3 microns is designed to contain fine particulates and dust, improving indoor air quality and reducing the risk associated with the redistribution of potentially harmful contaminants and allergens. Using the heavy-duty clasps, secure the airtight lid of the vacuum so dust cannot escape into the air. Attach the extension hose to the unit. Depending upon your cleaning task, attach the tool of your choice to the adjustable double bend wand. For maximum comfort and a secure fit, attach the waist belt and adjust the padded nylon shoulder straps to secure the backpack comfortably. The durable injection molded housing and vented backplate are designed to eliminate heat transfer from the motor to the operator's back. Begin cleaning by turning on the power switch that conveniently clips to your pocket or belt loop. This unit is perfect for detail cleaning and hard-to-reach areas on stairwells, escalators, and much more. The Power Pro backpacks provide increased mobility and flexibility. Whisper quiet at 70 decibels, they meet LEED requirements and can be used during operating hours. The unit comes standard with crush-proof hose, double bend wand, carpet tool, bristle floor tool, dust brush, upholstery, and crevice tools. This unit is perfect for use in offices, theaters, churches, restaurants, hospitals, schools, even buses, trains, and airplanes.